Welcome to my channel, Raw Atalawi Fitness, Health Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sport!
Okay. First of all, congratulations! Nakarating kayo ng finals. Isa lang naman champion, pero yung dalawa may trophy na. Wala na yung pagtatalunan kung hindi mas malaking trophy. Okay? Kaya, inihiling mo lang, basketball ang laruin natin.
Oo, ko ako.
Okay? Nakaintindihan tayo. Okay, pinalamas natin. Ganun pa rin. Kung ano yung pinibigay sa inyo yung semifinals.
Oo, ikaw muna pare, ikaw muna. O, yan. Committee chairman, Daniel Parco. Oo, kuha ka na agad.
Sa bench. Yan lang. Pag may mainit, coach, alam na ang gagawin. Pag may mainit, coach, alam na ang gagawin. Lalabas na kagad. Okay, nagkakaintindihan tayo. Okay, guys, good luck!
Big time basketball partner, and there's already a so technically the first possession starts with phase 3 on the right side, back now at the middle, to the left, heavily guarded at the middle for a float there on the last season of the high is good, partner, and that's the first point going for phase 3. Good screen there by Andrew. It's a pass now down low, baseline J, in and out. So rebound secured for phase 3. As what we can see, the defense of the phase 3 is man-to-man defense on a full court press. But here's Panagiton, here's Andrew, ball stolen inside between two defenders, deflection. Inbound goes at the middle, boys deflected. Ball possession now goes to Central A. Heavy defense coming from phase 3. Central A. Here's number 11. Pulls up in the middle, no good. Here's Andrew. Here's the inbound going outside. Pass now to number 11. Pass on the baseline. The drive. Over the defense. Does not get it a basket. Kick out. Jumper in. It's secured. Quick transition from the miss shot. Aiming that ring to have a 3-point lead starting this game. This is a great start, partner, for the Barrio Tres on our first quarter. But here's Andrew muscling his way through. Jumper misfires, battling for that leather. Good highs there coming from Central A. Does not manage to get a score. Here's number 11 again. Passes off on the right. At the middle this time. Bumps up. That would be called for an offensive foul. Okay na sana but extension and nanggigil for that contact. Here's Andrew Panagito, goes all the way short on the leg. The rebound secured for number 15 of phase 3. And here's the Barrio Tres now. Quick handoff para kay Dailo. Inside pass, quick jumper, misfires. Battling for that rebound but there will be a whistle. Great defense right now ang pinapakita para sa Central A. But here's Andre muscling his way through. But it was called for a moving screen. Second personal foul now on Morales. Yung mga tao po dyan sa ilalim ng pupunta po tayo ng bleachers. Maraming salamat po. And here is the offensive end now of again, yung mga nasa baseline, nasa ilalim ng Andrew Panagiton.
Yung mga tao dyan na nandiyan sa may gitna. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, alis kayo dyan. Dito, atras kayo dyan, dito, doon. Doon kayo sa huwag kayo dyan sa gitna ng ring.
So far, it's still a 1-point lead for Barrio Tres. Panagiton with the rebound, the outlet now. Intercepted. Tight defense so far. 3-pointer. No good. Panagito. Andrew. Easy putback for the big man. again, Andrew Panagitot, a member or a player of Puleo ng Luzon, Dasmariñas. Plays as a big man as well. Showing his skill now, it's an interception. There's Andrew Panagiton sharing that rock. Down low. Look at that vision coming from Andrew, partner. Creating separation, space, and creating points for his team. Extra passes. Down low, easy kill. Pero sabi ng Barrio Tres. Central A. Again, here's number 1 this time. Pass it off on the left side. Good job. On the attack. Heads it off. Too strong. Almost a great passes, but not a great execution. Here's the Barrio Tres now. On their transition. Off to player number 12 for 3. Misfires. And it's Visto again with the rebound. Pass it off. There would be a look at that. Bertosa misses on that bonus throw. Almost a great opportunity for a 3-point play. Here's the Barrio Tres. On the top of the key, set things up. 3-point lead for Central A. Pass it now down low on the baseline, outside the yard. And making the team of both into a penalty situation. Throws a 3, not this time. It's an offensive rebound. Kick out, 3-pointer again. Knocked down this time. From Delta 3. That's the first 3-pointer of the ball game. And it goes for Central A with a good ball movement. But here, this time, Barrio Tres tries to make an answer. No good. It's an offensive rebound. All the way, almost an end one. It's on the first free throw. Misses on the second. The rebound now secured for Central A. Here's the Central A on their transition. Guanse on the top of the key as he set things up. Quick handoff on the left wing. Tightly guarded by the Barrio Tres. Kicks it out. Once more, loses it. Finally, another opportunity for the Barrio Tres. On the attack, off the glass, misfires. Here's the Central A now. Guanse between 2 defenders. Creating space, separation, loses it once more. And here is Barrio Tres. Great defense, 2 steals after another steal. 3-pointer won't go. Rebound secured for Central A, but coming from the Central A. That is a 7-point lead. Coming from Ezequiel Pajarora. Good 2 for 2 on that free throw shot. Here's De Peñoso. Quick handoff on the right, left wing. De Peñoso, tightly guarded by 2. Under the hesitation for 2. Not this time, but it's an offensive rebound. Another chance now for Barrio Tres. Shot clock winding down, 7 seconds to shoot. Bumps up, forces the issue, won't go. It's an outlet now. Goes all the way. Look at this guy. Juanse Marasigan with the connection on that outlet pass. And it's now a 9-point lead, partner. And on the other end, that would be called. Look at that quick answer, partner. Coming from De Peñoso, making a draw foul. Hey, they have time to ease up and warm up in this first. Good low pickup move. Misses. Offensive rebound, put back, and will play. As he mounts on his way through between 2, also with a counter and 1 finish. The foul was called on player number 2. That would be a first personal. And the bonus throw is good. It is a 3-point play in the making. Coming from the Central A. Here's the Barrio Tres. Almost loses that chance. Quickness kicks it out. Look there. Great defense. Rebound picked up. Another offensive chance. There would be a... That is a 1 out of 2 para sa team ng Barrio Tres. Here's Guanse. Handled over to Guanse for 3. Great line, but not a great execution. Here's Al, kicks it out for 3. Throws around, tries to save. Again, a special mention for the goal movement of Central A, seeing those shooters outside and ready to shoot. But here is Barrio Tres now. Back now to number 1 at the middle. Double team. Good defense. It's an interception. Anticipated pass there down low. Pass now on the front court. Now low on the baseline. Bumps off. Oh, that would be called for an offensive.
Kitang-kita yung extension ng kanyang braso on that court.
Here's the Central A. The quickness of them on their transition. Extra passes. Oh my! Look at that partner. Iniwas pa. Hang time move there for that alley-oop. On the left side for Dre. Three-pointer now from downtown. Dre. A quick triple. 5 seconds to go. Step back, Dre. Quick answer. Good answer. Right. A big favor at least for now. Central A having that advantage. There's Panagiton outside. Andrew inside. But not managing to get chance to shoot. Here is Nieva. Nieva pass it off on the left. At the middle. Shot almost an end one. There's a rebound now for phase 3. At the middle. Pass it up on the right. Jabs. Jumper. Too strong. Rebound for Andrew. Outlet there. Another outlet by Andrew to secure an open lay. Great vision and the chemistry para sa team ng Central A. Owning that rebound with an outlet pass and a sure score for his teammate. Kicks it out once more. Here's number 4 underneath that rim. Another rebound now secured. And there 14 on the shot clock. Coming from the right side, pass it down low, too strong, good defense coming from Andrew. Oh, anticipated, almost deflected, 4 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. And that would be a shot clock coming from the team of the Central A, but here's Vista on the top of the key as he set things up. He is now asking for a ball screen. Kicks it out, attacking, here's Andrew, deflection. Here's the inbound now, going for Visto. Visto crosses over, what a big move! And the pass was deflected. That kind of deadly in-out crossover. Nice steal. Transition, miscommunication. And we would like also to acknowledge the presence of Kagawad Oscar Honor of Barangay Salawag, San Marino City. Here at the Barangay Salawag. And here is the kick out. Visto kicks it out again on the corner for 3. From Delta 3! Things up. Mukhang titira ng 3. Kicks it out with a quick J. Jumper misfires. Battling for the 3 ball. Nothing down on the footback. Another try. And here's a rebound for Andrew. Panagiton gives it up to the point guard. Pass now on the left side for 3. Boom! From downtown. 3! Look at that. Again sa ating mga audience, paki-remove po ang flashes. Yan, yung flash po natin. For less distraction para sa ating mga players. We are now back to the ball game. Good deflection right there. But here's number 18. Denied! It's now a secured possession for Central A. Again, the ball movement of this team. Finding open man outside the arc. Pass now, Andrew this time for 3. From downtown, 3! Andrew Panagiton making a statement on that left wing on his court. And bringing that down basketball. Down at the middle, no good to the shot, but with that rebound. Rebound secured for phase 3. Loses the handle, gets it back. There would be a fast moment for Morales to draw a 4th personal. Here's number 15 using that glass on that attack, making another added point para sa team ng Barrio Tres. They also just ended that drought, or scoring drought, the whole second quarter.
Look at that Pinoy step, kicks it out. Here's Andrew, creating space, motioning his way through. Oh, what an open teammate on that transition partner, creating another score.
Again, Andrew Panagiton sharing the rock with his teammates, having 4 assists now in this ball game. On the drive, and now what we called 17, 4 minutes and 40 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Here's Guance, gives it up to the big man, the layup almost. It's an outlet now, 11, goes all the way, there would be a whistle. 2 out of 2 there coming for Dayao. 37-19. It's an 18-point lead still for Central A. Corner 3. No good. Rebound secured for phase 3.
Almost a great line there on the attempt for a three-pointer para sa Central A. Here's number 17 with a quick J, misfires, but there is teammate with a sales of a score.
And now they are on a scoring run so far, 37-21. They cut down that lead down to 16. Here is Guance, three-pointer this time, hitting top iron. Rebound secured again for phase 3, an outlet all the way.
Look at that. After that rebound, outlet pass, creating a score, added point para sa team ng Barrio Tres. But here's Guance. Quick connections now on the Central A as they set things up under the 10 seconds on the shot clock. Extra passes now. Here's Partosa, spins between, and there will be
only 1 out of 2 on the free throw line for Dwayne Marasigan. And here is number 1, phase 3 now running this offense all the way, almost touching down.
Here's Al owning that rebound, having that power rebound made. But here's Marasigan, almost denies. Guance, extra passes.
Still a block there coming from phase 3, leaving that extra pass. It's number 11, Dayao. Still no good on this scoop play. Here is Central A. All the way, nothing down, put back with it in.
And there he is, Alex Clamador, putting a statement, having that score, coming from that rebound. Here's the Barrio Tres with a long 3, misfires, hitting the top iron.
7 seconds remaining. Here's Guance, pass it off on the corner, back now to Guance. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass now on the right. Hang time move, almost. Here's Al, Exclamador. Boys deflected and steal. There would be a whistle. And it's a rebound now secured for Exclamador.
Here's Guance, creating space. Bigay bola para kay Al. Here's Al, quick handoff para kay Guance. On their transition, pull Jane and puts it up and in. That is Alien Guance with that move. Cross-court passes inside. Quick handoff, attack, creating separation between 2 defenders.
Or rather, that's not Perenoso, that's number 11, Dayao. Making 1 out of 2 on the free throw line. Here is Central A again. Here's Guance, one-hander, and the float is good.
In the middle as he drives in the paint. Here's number 1, deflection. Outlet pass. Here's Guance once more. Oh, behind the back, off the Marasigan with that hand time. Look at that move.
That's a 16 under connection. There are teammates on the 16 under from Milku. And here is Arsikal. Pass it up on the left.
Great vision from Guance to Marasigan. But here's number 5 with a quick answer.
That's John Esta Duarte. or Esto Darte rather, getting that jumper to go. 17 seconds to go. Shot clock is turned off. Can be the last shot of this quarter. Now we go for a
On having
it's
that
a
same
new rule.
foot. That is a clear vision right now. 3 seconds to shoot. Kicks it out. 4-3. And that's the end of our quick handoff now para sa Barrio 3. Bigay bola para kay player number 12. Inside. Drop pass. Alley-oop. Misfires. Here's Andrew. Tries to seal it.
Drives. Inside, outside again. 3 seconds. Shot and bounces in.
Right on the clock. He makes an added point, and the lead now is down to 16. So, quick handoff, 4-3. Bounces off, but here's Andrew with the clean up. He knows how to use his weight, pare.
Big man of KLD showing why he is the big man in this court right now. Showing the experience he had from Nationals. A three-pointer now, short. Panagiton again with the rebound. Here's an easy outlet. Intercepted. A player. Counter steal now. There.
Make this down, or will the Central A continues to dominate them until the fourth and the final quarter? Here's Visto, season opening, lays it up into
30. And 2 minutes has gone by in this third. After that short break in the halftime. Brings it up at the middle. Number 7 passes off. Number 12 gives it up. Jumper. Long 2. No good. Andrew trying to secure a rebound. Third. 50-30 is the count.
And the second team foul on this ball game. But here's Andrew Aatake, loses it. Finally, Barrio 3 with a leather transition play. 4v3 from coast to coast and slice through that lay-in.
And that is another layup to fall for Barrio 3. But here is Visto. Hands it up. Shot no good. Rebound secured for Barrio 3. Another chance to make a end offense.
Spins away. Here's Luciano. Asking for a screen.
There's number 15, shot clock winding down to 7. Gives it up on the right. The jab, the slash. No. Offensive rebound, put back, and one play. That's it counts. The foul was called on player number 4. That's Andrew Panagiton with a second personal foul. Second team foul now for Central A.
This is another opportunity for them to make a 3-point play on this third quarter under 6 minutes and 34 seconds. Here's Andrew seals that rebound.
So rebound secured for
Outlet pass.
Barrio 3, an outlet. Good save. Number 12 with a shot. Knocking down. Another offensive rebound. On the baseline. And the shot short. Rebound secured for Central A. On the gas, there would be a
transition. Kicks it out once more on the right wing. Stop and pop, down low, jumper, misfires. Here's Morales with the seal. Highly guarded, looking for a teammate to pass. But here's Andrew on the save. Extra passes, forces.
Here is Barrio 3 again. Tries to pass it on the right, almost deflected. Then on the shot clock, drives, loses balance, the kick out. On the corner, drives on the baseline, at the middle, and called for a travel.
Now, as he sets back on the floor, bigay bola para kay Guanse. Shot fires for 3, bounces off. Just hit at the front iron.
Here's Barrio 3 again with a chance to make or lower that lead. Back now at the middle, it's a steal. Here's Dwayne all the way down the court.
Good defense now ang pinapakita. A half press court. Up and under, no good.
Hit that. Rim. Finds someone at the middle. Gives it up on the left. Three-pointer. No good. In and out. Offensive putback. Good timing to get that rebound for an easy putback as well. 4 minutes now remain in this third quarter. Here is Guanse. Pass it up on the right side. Blocked there. Good defense.
Shot denied. Here's the Barrio Tres with the transition. Lays it up and in. This is now the momentum. A break momentum coming from the Barrio Tres as they now make a 6-point straight on this game. Here's Guanse creating space.
Here is Barrio Tres again. Wants to make that lead lower. Pass now for the big man. Hands it up. It almost intercepted. Scoop play won't go. Tapi ka ng bola, and that would be an offensive putback again for phase 3 for an easy 2. And the lead is now to 14 again.
Here's Guanse on their transition, setting things up. Bigay bola on the left wing. Kicks it out once more, but here's number 5 with the seal of that point. Good seals from Partoja. Here's Espinoso, tight
Double team. Here's Dwayne again, goes all the way. Taps the board as he gets that layup to go.
Look at that connection, having that tight defense coming from Guanse and Marasigan. Another deflection, but they keep it alive. Here's number 1, inside, drive, side step, extra passes, off the glass, lays it in.
Good connection now shown for phase 3. They are still having a heated moment for those defense.
Actually, partner, both teams having the strongest guards and a scorer on this game. Here's Guanse, tapi ka ng bola, Al Exclamador dominates inside, using the glass, creating another added point for his team. Here's number 2 on the left wing, drives, deflection.
Pass it up to Al. Good defense shown for phase 3. Pass now at the middle. Here's Dwayne Marasigan, just short on that scoop.
Almost a great attack there. And here's Barrio Tres with an easy goal lay. Tres under the 1 minute and 20 seconds on this third quarter. Here's Guanse creating separations now. Extra passes. Here's Al, wide open lay.
16-point lead. Under a minute remaining. Jumper still won't go for phase 3.
And out of 1 on this ball game. Here's Marasigan, muscling his way through, attacks.
And look at that, Dwayne Marasigan showing experience. And down low, the kick out on the corner, back now at the wing. Long bomb, won't go. Offensive rebound. Quick fire. Nothing down, Marasigan again, the outlet now. One dribble, layup, almost. Here's Al. Securing that rebound. 7 seconds to go. Here's Marasigan again, hang time, misses the lay. 2 seconds. And that would count.
Back to the ball game, starting at the first, fourth, and the final quarter under the 19 category. Here's the Barrio Tres as they seal that rebound underneath the rim. Together with their transition. Extra passes.
Good defense coming from Andrew, just standing still, using his body. There's a handoff down low. Kick out. Down again. Reverse this time. Good ball movement for Central A.
Dwayne Marasigan with that moment. Extra passes, loses another chance. Almost as they seals it. Extra passes, down low, no good. And through.
And 2 out of 2 on that 18-point lead. Here's Andrew. Panagiton goes all the way. Look at that.
Inside the paint, make an added point. Another statement for him. Extra passes down low. Reverse lane misfires. Here's the Barrio Tres as they seals that rebound.
To have a higher lead to rest the whole entire quarter. And here is Dwayne Marasigan down low. Off the glass is an easy 2.
Great defense and a great offense execution for the team of the Central A. Meaning, here's
At the middle, nothing down on that one-hander. It's another offensive rebound. This time number 15 goes outside, crosses over, hands it up, nothing down on that follow-up.
want to say, making a statement. Oh my! Inside! Getting his own miss. Here's Andrew. Cross-court passes para kay Guarce. On a shot fake, creating space. Denied! Here's Andrew.
2 seconds.
Almost, but not quite. As the ball on our fourth and final quarter with a running score of 49-71. With a quick handoff inside the paint. Tries to steal it. Here's Al taking a quick step. Here's the body threats now. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
On the corner, 3-pointer short. Put back, still won't go.
Here's Marasigan.
1 second on the shot clock. On the drive, another great defense coming from Andrew.
Parang pader. Parang pader.
All the way, good defense again for Panagiton. Secured possession now for Central A. Uses screen by Andrew. Gives up out the front court. 14 on the shot clock. There's Andrew cutting inside. Misses the lane.
Almost a great attempt for a left-handy para kay Andrew. Here's the body press now. Down low, alley-oop play. Misfires. But here's the body press. Seals it between two defenders. And a
once he now brings down that basketball. Uses the ball screen. Goes on the left. Hands it up down low. No good. Andrew inside. Getting the rebound. Misses his shot though. Here's an outlet now. 3-on-1. On the other side. Hang time move. Up and under. Naiiwas niya pa yun. Partner.
Here's Guanse as it brings in the leather. Tightly guarded by the body tres, having that man-to-man defense. Here's Guanse.
Shot clock now to 7. Guanse gives it up to Al. Loses the balance. And that would be a turn.
For 3 misfires, here's Al owning that rebound, and this is an opportunity for the Central A to take their time having this big point lead. Here's Dwayne asking for a ball screen for 3 misfires.
Al with an offensive rebound. Hand up, Andrew fakes a shot, now takes the jumper and bounces off. Another offensive rebound by Al. The kick out this time, 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Here's Guanse, this time drives, still won't go. Another rebound for Al. Panagiton doesn't manage to get that 3-pointer. It's Al this time with his own 3-pointer, and he sinks it in. That is a long two.
Long two correction for the both team. After the kick out now, here's number 11 muzzling his way through, but here is the post, kind of to no one. From the logo, 15 on the shot clock, inside. Once more, here's Al, looking for a teammate to pass, bigay bola para kay Visto.
7 seconds to shoot. Visto this time makes his move, drives to the basket, over 2 defenders.
Oh my, Visto as he muzzles his way through. Look at that.
Handle play, extra pass, and an easy.
Look at that. Here's Guanse as he seals that leather. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Guanse inside. Pass deflection. Outlet pass now. Extra passes, kicks it out.
Using that chair move.
As they seals it, here's Guanse. Won't go, but here.
Here's number 11 again. Scoop play, still won't go. Here's Andrew again. Coast to coast. Layup, not good. Here's a pull-up three. Bang! From downtown. 3. A minute and 21 seconds. Defense at the middle now. Number 15 drives, spins, handoff, easy reverse. One minute to go. Here is the handoff. Marasigan loses the leather. Easy lane, no good. Fighting for that rebound. Here's Al. No, it's a rebound for phase 3. 40 seconds remaining. Ball is deflected. It's now a steal. Gives it up off the front. All the way. Taps the ring as he.
Iniwan pa ako ni Coach yun. Coach sila, hindi ko na-coach na. Labas ako dyan, sabi. Ginagawa ko yan. Labas ako. Ayaw ko din, hindi ko pinagawa. Nakakuha ko mag-coach yun, baka yung supply mo.
Thank you so much, Kagawad Joab Paredes. Thank you so much for watching here our
Easy layup made by number 12. 10 seconds to go. And I think that should do it. In this end of the program, the official count 79-62. This game is won by Central A.
Thank you so much for watching my blog, Raw at Alawi Fitness, Health, Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sport.